Hi, this 5-minute solution gonna show you how to enable two-factor authentication for Google or Gmail account in iPhone. Follow this easy and step-by-step guide to turn on two-step verification for your Gmail. First of all, you have to install Authenticator app on your iPhone. So go to your App Store and search for Authenticator, and all you have to install Google Authenticator app on your iPhone. Once the app installed, now go ahead and open Gmail and select the Gmail or Google account in which account you want to turn on two-factor authentication. Now tap on your profile photo and just tap on manage your Google account. And once you are in your Google account page, tap on security. Under security, here you will find two-step verification. As you can see, currently two-step verification is turned off. Now to turn on, tap on it. And now you have to verify your Gmail or Google account. So write here your account password and just tap on next. And now tap on turn on two-step verification. And here we can see four different options to turn on two-step verification. The best option is turn on authentication using Authenticator app. So here select Authenticator and now tap on Setup Authenticator and tap on Can't Scan It. And here we can see in second step a code. All you have to need, select this code and just copy this code. Once copied, go to your Authenticator app, tap on this plus icon, tap on enter a setup key, and in this account name box you have to write your Gmail account. So here's my Gmail account, topicaltalks95@gmail.com. so I'm typing here my Gmail address. Now in this your key box, just paste the code or key that you just copied from the Authenticator page. Okay, now just tap on add, and here we can see a 6-digit code generated. Now copy this code, just tap on the code to copy. Now go to your page again and tap on next. And in this code box, paste the code that you just copied from Authenticator app and tap on verify. And once you successfully verified, as you can see, I've successfully turned on two-factor authentication for my Gmail app. So this is how we can do it. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.